A quick unboxing of the JBL Cinema SB271.
Father, please don't do that.
As we go about taking out the soundbar, I'm going to give you a quick overview and my initial impressions of this soundbar, and more importantly, who should be buying this. Bear in mind that the same soundbar is available in different models in the market. This particular one is the SB271, but it also goes by the model name SB270. And I'll go out on the limb that in some markets it is also sold as the SB170. Remote, HDMI cable, one power cable, and another power cable, one each for the soundbar and one for the subwoofer. Mounting brackets, batteries. It's so important that you include batteries so that you can get started right out of the box. Mounting screws, mounting template for the soundbar, warranty card, quick start guide. The subwoofer itself, it's got a nice finish. It is a full MDF wooden box. A quick look behind. Here's a big subwoofer port at the back. Power input, next to which is the sync button. This is used to sync to the soundbar. I personally haven't had the need to ever use it. A look at the 5.25-inch subwoofer and the soundbar itself. It has got a sleek piano black finish on the top. Some people like the finish, some people hate it. Hate it because it's generally a fingerprint magnet. A solid black grille in the front. All in all, a pretty sleek looking design. A quick look at the I/O, power input, optical in, HDMI ARC in. It's got only one HDMI ARC input. And notice the USB port. Bear in mind that this USB port is only for service. And of course it has Bluetooth connectivity. The buttons are touch capacitive. And there isn't much of a display. If you notice, there is that singular light which indicates when a button is pressed. To be honest, they are not very tactile. There is a show select button. To go into Bluetooth pairing mode, keep this button pressed for around 3 seconds. My take on this soundbar and whether you should buy it. This soundbar is around 220 watts RMS. The soundbar itself outputs about 52 watts and the balance wattage goes into the subwoofer. According to me, for the subwoofer to have some bass, for you to feel the bass, the subwoofer has to be at least 200 watts and above. Pick up the soundbar only if you are looking for an upgrade over your current TV speakers. Do not expect it to give you a thumping experience. That said, I would prefer the soundbar anytime, keeping in mind the sound signature over other soundbars in a similar price range. In short, the sound is warm but not thumping. Leaving you with some sound samples here. Bear in mind that this is only a representation and nothing replaces an actual audition. This is recorded with a Zoom H1.